won't let anyone sneak in. Not on my watch. Now talk. What are you poachers planning? Keeping quiet? Oh, right. I forgot I gagged you. The ceremony started. All right. Time to test that arcane skill.
Look! A giant bird! It's a parrot! Is this another one of her surprises?
That wasn't quite what I had in mind.
It's been ages, Aderin. Did you do it? Did you make a bond?
We and the Adaluk Queens have formed bonds of protection for generations. We see the world through their eyes.
But why did I fail to make the bond, Dad?
Look! Another round of fireworks!
No, those aren't fireworks. Get everyone out of here.
Your time will come, Aderin. Because you are a brave child, favored by fate. You will know yourself clearly through the Adaluk Queen's eyes. I have faith in